Why don't you see a doctor?
I want to, but I'm busy.
Oh, I have a website. I think it is suitable for you.
Really?
The website is called eDoctor. It mainly focuses on the BC patients in Hong Kong. As you know, seeing a doctor is time-consuming, and many people will do so when they are sick. Our website is more convenient, and it helps all of you to know what medicines you need at any time and everywhere. You can assess your sickness easily and quickly. When you enter eDoctor, you can see a 3D human figure. Click the part you sick and select your symptoms. For example, if you suffer from headache, click the head and select headache. Then you choose the medicines you need at the nearest pharmacy to buy. The prescriptions are created by professionals. The last step is just print it out and go to buy it. Apart from the desktop version, mobile site and app will also be provided. They provide the same functions from the original site. This allows you to use our service 4 different ways. The website can earn revenue from advertising, and it attracts many people use it by having comments. More information and visitors raise the value of our website. Most of the money flow will come from potential advertisers. The pharmacists pay us can earn priority in medicine needs. So why don't you invest on this potential and beneficial e-business? Contact me if you are interested.
Hey, this is quite convenient.